Welcome back to my Easy Grammar, my dear viewers, students. If you like this video, please subscribe this. Whenever I upload my videos, you can get it. In this class, we go to see transformation of sentences, especially simple, compound, complex. Before move on the topic, what is class? What is class? A clause is a group of words that contains a verb. A clause may form part of a sentence or it may be a complete sentence in itself. If you see example, I was eating a bacon sandwich. This is an example. Okay, a clause is a group of words that contains a verb. Next point, a clause may form part of a sentence or it may be a complete sentence in itself. Okay, this is clause. Okay, what are the different types of clause? You know, what are the different types of clause? Subordinate clause and main clause. Subordinate clause and main clause. Subordinate clause which doesn't come alone in the sentence, but main clause it comes alone. The subordinate clause which depends main clause to complete the meaning. To complete the meaning. For example, if you go there, I will scold you. I will scold you. I will scold you. This is subordinate clause. This is main clause. Just you hide this main clause. I will scold you. You hide this main clause. If you go there, what will be happened? There is no answer. There is no meaning. So to give complete meaning, it depends main clause. So that this is subordinate clause. This subordinate clause also separated into different types. Subordinate clause, which is one noun clause, then adverbial clause, then clause of an adjective, These three are important in transformation of sentences, especially simple, compound, complex. Okay, in this adverbial clause also separated into different adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of reason, adverb of condition. So that these are very important in transformation of sentences, especially in simple, compound, complex. Here you can find adverb of time, place, manner, reason, condition. In this condition also conditional, if or unless. Okay, right. Then you write this. Simple, complex, compound, in spite of, or despite. Here complex sentence. Though, although, even though. Even though. Here, but, yet, still. Yet. Okay. Right. Then here, on plus V4 or V4. Here, when or as soon as, Here so are and so. So are and so. Then being, say as. Here also so are and so. So are and so. Here after plus V4, after plus V4 or having plus V3. Here after plus subject plus verb. Here and then. You take this in your note. It will help you to identify which type of sentence is given. As per the conjunction, these are subordinate conjunction, these are coordinate conjunction. The subordinate conjunction you can use in the beginning of the sentence. If you find subordinate conjunction in your given exercise, that sentence is called complex sentence. If you find coordinate conjunction in your given exercise, that sentence is called compound sentence. So that these conjunctions will help you, this index will help you to identify which type of sentence is given in your book or question paper. At the same time, you have to use the subordinate conjunction in the beginning of the sentence, especially subordinate clause. At the same time, you must use this coordinate conjunction in between two main clauses. I mean, before the second, if I say simply, before the second subject. Okay. In the event of or in case of plus PCP. Here if or unless. Okay. Here or otherwise. This is also subordinate conjunction, coordinate conjunction. Already I told you, you have to use subordinate conjunction in the beginning of the sentence. I mean subordinate clause. You must use coordinate conjunction in between two main clauses. Okay, right. Listen here. The driver saw the children. And so he applied the brake. The driver saw the children and so he applied the brake. Okay. Which type of sentence is given here? Already I told you, the exercise whatever it is. First of all, you have to identify which type of sentence is given. Here, which type of sentence is given here? Just you search conjunction. Here is conjunction and so. And so is coordinate conjunction. So that already I told you, if you find coordinate conjunction in your given exercise, that sentence is called compound sentence. Okay. Then you identify the type, in which type. Just now I ask you to change this into complex sentence. Refer your given index. Just you remove this coordinate conjunction and add subordinate conjunction in the beginning of the sentence. What will you use in the beginning of the sentence? Here you find main verb. Okay, just you when and when the driver saw the children, he applied the brake. He applied the brake. That's all. You remove coordinate conjunction and add subordinate conjunction. You write as it is in your given exercise. That's all. That is complex sentence. Okay. Just now I asked you to change this into simple sentence. Which is given verb in the first sentence? Saw. What is V4 for saw? Already I told you all the ing form is called V4. V4 for eat, eating. V4 for teach, teaching. V4 for read, reading. V4 for listen, listening. V4 for saw. Just you identify V1. What is V1? See. Add ing, seeing. Okay. So that V4 for saw, seeing. Seeing. Just you remove these parts. Seeing the children. Seeing the children. He applied the brake. He here refers to the driver. So that the driver applied the brake. Driver applied the brake. That's all. Okay, this is simple sentence. You can add here on. On seeing, as per the rule, on seeing the children, the driver applied the brake. This is compound sentence. Okay, viewers. I think you should be understood very well. If you like this video, subscribe this. Whenever I upload my videos, you can get it. I will meet you in your next class. Bye. See you. Thank you.